What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 work from home jobs with that you can easily make $200 or even more every single day, and all of the jobs, they are not kind of jobs you can easily make even a passive income with that. Okay, and you can easily scale up to even a 6-figure business or even a 7-figure business. All that are literally really killing business. Okay, so but before we get into the video, I have a 100% free training with which you can easily make $100 every single day with affiliate marketing. You just need to start taking action after taking that training. Okay, and if you are interested in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now, what are the 7 ways that I'm going to share with you so that you can easily make $200 or even more every single day? So the first one is the copywriting. Basically, the copywriting is the kind of the practice, that means you are in the you do not need to be expert, but it is a kind of the art of writing email that really sells. It is a kind of the it is a kind of the ability to write anything that can sell. Okay, and really a copywriter can even make much more money than just $5,000 to $10,000. Let me explain you. Let's say there is a guy. Okay, there is a guy who has created a product. Okay, and literally let's say you are not an expert, but you know a lot of about the a lot of things about the copywriting. Okay, so now if that guy reaches to you and says that he is going to do a product launch, but he do not know anything about the copywriting, so he want help from you. So what you can do, let's say this guy is also having an email list of at least about 5,000 members. Okay, because all of the product launches here are having the email list, that's why they are going to launch a product, or they might have affiliates, or they might be going to run the ads. Okay, so let's say you are going to tell that guy that I'm going to charge about 30% of the commission, about 10%, 30%, or 20% of all of the profit in the product launch. Okay, so you can also demand that, because the copywriter job is really not not anyone can do that. Okay, and literally you can make even much more money than just with just copy, not even with the copywriting, but people are also going to call you for the consulting and all that stuff as well. Okay, so it can be really one of the big jobs. It is not, again, it's not a job. Okay, so making about $5,000, even $10,000 is very easy, because the guy is going to do a product launch. Even if he cannot pay you $5,000 to $10,000, he can easily pay you at least $1,000. Okay, he's going to do a product launch that is going to having a lot of expenses, so he can at least pay you 1,000 US dollars. Okay, so literally it is the one of the three where you just need to start learning and start researching what is in the copywriting. Just after you have learned a lot of things about the copywriting, just to start getting the clients and all that stuff. Okay, and you can also use for your own copywriting, like for selling the affiliate products and all that. Okay, so again, the sixth work is all about affiliate marketing. Okay, and it is the complete passive income. So to do the passive to make money with the affiliate marketing, even if you are complete beginner, then I highly recommend this training, because in this training I have shared the complete free methods, that 4 traffic sources that are completely free. Okay, plus I'm going to share with the 100% free complete blueprint also. Okay, so you can easily make about $100, or even you can make much more money just with this training. Okay, so it is one of the easiest way, and you do not even need much money. You do not even need a lot of skills to making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so in the training I have done everything for you. And the fifth work is all about the courses. Basically, in the courses, what you can do in the affiliate marketing, you are going to promote other people product, but in the courses, let's say you have created a course, let's say you know a lot of about the copywriting, or you know a lot of about kind of art, anything you know, you can just do one thing. You can create a course for that. Okay, and let's say you are only going to sell that course for just $100. Okay, maybe you do not have any kind of clients, you do not have any kind of money, you do not have any kind of email members. So what you can do, you can go to the ClickBank, or you can go to the JVZoo, or you can also go to the Warrior Plus. What you can do, first of all, after creating the course, you can get a good sales page with the help of the Fiverr or Upwork. Okay, you can literally get that even from $500 to $1,000, because you really need a big page, a really very attracting page. Okay, so what you can do after that, you just need to list that product on the ClickBank, JVZoo, PaySpree, and Warrior Plus, and thereafter you can promote over there your product and say that I'm going to give the 60% commission, I'm going to give the 70% commission. Okay, so there is nothing bad. Maybe you have spent over $2,000 in creating the product, okay, but there will be lots and lots of affiliates which are going to promote your product, because you are giving them 60% commission, 70% commission, and there is not just one affiliate, there will be 10 affiliates, 20 affiliates, or even 100 affiliates maybe. Okay, so you just need let's say you have spent over $1,000 on creating the course, because you just need a let's say you have spent over $2,000 in creating that course. So if you are making about $30, $40 for every single course you are going to sell, okay, you will just need 50 sales. Okay, you will just need 50 sales, and getting 50 sales with the help of the 10 affiliates is not a big deal. You will be on the break even point, and then you can also sell them upsell kind of $500 product or even a $1,000 product. Okay, and you are also having the emails of those 50 buyers. That means they like your product and they are going to buy your product in the future. So you can also promote other products as well, so it's a win-win situation for everybody else. Okay, so the fourth work is all about the freelancing. Basically, you might be thinking you do not have any kind of skill, how are you going to do? So this is the ultimate hack. What you can do, you do not need to learn anything in order to work kind of do the freelancing business. What you can do, first of all, just start getting clients. For example, if you want to get a client for funnel building, you can go to the kind of local business owner by searching like a plumber. Okay, plumber Seattle plumber. You can search for like this. Okay, plumbing Seattle. Okay, you can search for like this, and you are going to get the local business owner that needs funnel. Or you can go to the Facebook. In the Facebook groups, you can search for the plumbers, and then you can tell them that I'm going to create a funnel for just $50, because people in the market are charging at least $500. But you should not tell them so much low amount. You should tell them at least $200. Then what you can do, you can head over to the Fiverr, because there are the guys who are just creating the funnels for $50. So you are charging $200 from here. Okay, and you are just paying them just $50. So the $150 will be in your pocket easily. Okay, and once they have been your client, they will be staying with you. So you do not need to hire the clients again and again, and you need zero skills, you need zero money, and you do not need any kind of skill for this purpose. Okay, so the third kind of business is all about the consultation. Basically, a consultation can be as powerful as you cannot even think of. A single consultant, I will not say you that you are going to charge over $500 when you are just starting out, but you can easily charge $50. Maybe you have to give 4 hours or 4 hours, or even you just need to give 2 hours for $50. What you can do, you can just you can just tell what you can do to get the $50 every single hour for this, or for every 2 hours. You just need to start creating the content on the Facebook, on the Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube. When you will do that, people will see that you are really having a lot of knowledge. They will ask you a lot of questions. They will ask you, do you have any kind of training? Then what you can tell them, that I have a training of $100 where I am going to give you some video trainings, plus I will be giving you 2 hours of consultation call with me, and I am going to charge you just $100. So in this way, you can easily get a lot of clients, because they all think that you are really having a lot of value, because you are giving the valuable content on all these platforms. And then you can easily charge over $100. And when you will be getting lots and lots of students, you can charge the price to $200, $300, or even more. It really depends upon your capability. Okay, so this is the third business that is completely scalable. When you will be having big demand in the market, then the a lot of guys will call you to come over there and speak over there as guest. Then you can also recommend your own consultation product over there as well. Okay, so this is the power of the consultation. You can make much more money with the consultation than anything else. Okay, so the second thing is the Instagram. Basically Instagram is the trending topic now. Okay, and you really, Instagram is not that much saturated as kind of YouTube, Facebook and all that. So what you need to do, you need to create an account which is having following, and I have also done a lot of video on that, so I will leave the link of those videos in the description as well. Plus I have also shared tactics of growing Instagram account in this free training as well. Okay, so after you have done that, what you can do, you can do the shout outs for the other accounts that are going to, let's say you have built really just 10,000 followers, then also you can make money with that. You may not get the shout outs, you may not get the sponsor then, but you can really promote your own products. And if only out of those 10,000 only 100 guys are going to buy a product of $100, then you can easily make over $10,000 just with 10,000 followers. So this is the ultimate tactic, and you can then upsell them a $500 product, $2,000 product, or even a $10,000 product, because they are interested in buying your product. So this is the ultimate tactic of making money with Instagram. Okay, so the first one is the kind of the SMMA. Basically a single client can give you over $5,000, $10,000, but as we are starting out, we are not going to charge that much big money. We are only going to charge the $300. So what you need to do in the SMMA, in the SMMA there are two kinds of business. Either they are going to tell you to manage their social media accounts, like posting on the social media for daily basis, or they will tell you that we need the simply clients, we don't care about our social media accounts, we just need clients. So in that case, you can run the FB ads, you can run the Google ads for them. Okay, you can run the ads for them, and you can also work for their social media. So charging about $300 to $400 is not really a big deal. You can tell them that I am going to give you a 14-day free trial. Okay, and whatever the money will be required for running the ads, that is spent by you. Plus I am promising that if you are going to invest $100, then I'm going to convert that into $300. And if you are expecting $300, then tell them you are going to give them results of $250. You just need to do kind of under promising and over delivering. You are telling them that I will give you $250 and you are giving them $300, then they are really gonna to be mad behind you, and they will pay you any amount you are going to charge. Okay, and after some time, when you will be start getting lots and lots of clients, you can really increase the price to even $3,000, $5,000, because you really know how to get the clients and how to bring the clients. You can use the testimonials and all that stuff. So guys, these are the 7 insane amounts of really business. These are not kind of jobs, these are really business. Okay, and you can really scale it up to any point wherever you want. Okay, so I really hope that you want to take action. So just take this training as starting with action. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.